This video from the Famous Personalities series is about Philip Zimbardo. Philip Zimbardo was born on March 23, 1933, in New York City. He grew up in a family of Italian immigrants, which influenced his views on culture and society. As a child, he was curious about human behavior and often observed how people interacted. This interest in psychology led him to pursue a career in the field. Zimbardo attended Brooklyn College, where he earned his bachelor's degree in psychology. He later completed his master's degree at Columbia University and his PhD at Yale University. During his studies, he became interested in social psychology, focusing on how people behave in groups. His academic career included teaching at several prestigious universities. In 1971, Zimbardo conducted the famous Stanford prison experiment to study the effects of situational factors on behavior. He assigned college students to the roles of guards and prisoners in a simulated prison environment. The experiment quickly revealed how ordinary people could engage in harmful behaviors when placed in certain situations. It was intended to last 2 weeks, but was stopped after only 6 days due to the extreme behavior of the participants. The Stanford prison experiment showed that people could conform to roles in surprising and troubling ways. The guards became abusive, while the prisoners showed signs of stress and helplessness. Zimbardo concluded that situational forces could greatly influence human behavior. This finding raised important ethical questions about psychological experiments and the treatment of participants. After the Stanford prison experiment, many questioned the ethics of Zimbardo's methods. Critics argued that the participants were not adequately protected from harm. Zimbardo later acknowledged that the experiment could have been conducted differently to ensure participant safety. These concerns led to stricter ethical guidelines for psychological research. Zimbardo's work has had a lasting impact on the field of psychology. His research highlighted the importance of situational factors in understanding human behavior. This led to further studies on power dynamics and conformity in social situations. Many psychologists now reference his work when discussing the effects of environment on behavior. After the Stanford prison experiment, Zimbardo continued to explore themes of time perspective and social psychology. He published several books, including The Lucifer Effect, which examines how good people can turn evil. Zimbardo has also been involved in various social issues, advocating for positive change in society. His work has inspired many students and professionals in psychology. Philip Zimbardo is recognized as a significant figure in psychology and social sciences. His experiments and theories have been widely discussed in classrooms and textbooks. He has received numerous awards for his contributions to the field. Zimbardo's legacy continues to influence how we understand human behavior and societal influences. Today, Zimbardo is involved in public speaking and educational initiatives. He shares his insights on psychology and the human condition through lectures and workshops. He also engages in projects that promote social awareness and personal development. His ongoing work aims to inspire younger generations to think critically about psychology and its applications.